Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is totally different. In this video I'm just going to reveal a YouTube channel. One of my YouTube subscribers and viewers, Mahin from Pakistan, and she just sent me a YouTube channel because she asked me to how she can get a sponsor, and that's why I'm just asking, and I just wrote her, send me your YouTube channel link, I will check and let you know. Thanks. And she just sent her YouTube channel MB reaction. In this video I will check YouTube channel and I will explain you guys, those who are a beginner and who wants to make money YouTube like Google AdSense through or sponsorship. So I will explain what kind of mistakes she does already. So today's video all about YouTube channel checking. So if you are a new YouTuber and you are starting or you are planning to starting in 2025, so I think this video will help you a lot, guys. So before jump into video, if you are first time watching my YouTube channel video, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos, different AI tools and different money making tips and tricks. So if you are interested in this niche, so you can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. And the first of all that I noticed, the banner, YouTube banner. Okay, so MB reaction, I can guess it's a reaction type YouTube channel. Okay, so if it is really reaction type YouTube channel, so make sure the banner is very clear. That's mean when the audience first time visit your YouTube channel and they was like this, so they can understand, and it's really important to make them easy to guess. Okay, YouTube channel description, that's been about section. So I'm from Pakistan, open-minded, free thinking girl, love for India, from Pakistan. Okay, that's amazing, but the most important thing is audience, they are not care about your thoughts, what you're thinking. They care about what you can provide, their information or entertainment. That's very clear, guys. If you are watching this YouTube channel, why you are watching? The number one, you want to just learn something that gonna help you to in your next time when you make money or when you want to create something. And the second one, it is not a total entertainment video. So if it is entertainment, you can watch it for long time entertainment purposes. The purposes is very clear. So you are from Pakistan, open-minded, free thinking girl, it's okay, you can write it here. But most important, what is about your YouTube? This is about all about your YouTube channel, not about you. So the mistake we always did, we always put ourselves into the about section. This is not a CV, this is not a resume, so this is not a job portfolio. Okay, this is YouTube channel, guys. So what is your YouTube channel? So you can write it here. What kind of videos you can make, what kind of videos you can produce, you can make it very understand. Okay, and you can make it very clearly, so that when I visit this or when any audience visit this, so they can clearly guess, okay, so MB reaction is a reaction channel and they make, so what kind of videos you make, you can mention, like you can reaction movies, different kind of, so you can mention those kind of things. So why it is important? Because you are asking a sponsorship, and when a sponsor person will visit your YouTube channel, definitely he or she will check your YouTube channel, and definitely they check your about section. And right now this is not a professional about, so make sure your about is very clear and professional and all about your YouTube channel, what you can provide. Okay, and let's link section. This is perfect. You have added already 4 social media. Still now we have just checked banner and about section, and 2 sections has been changed. Definitely you can update. Okay, and let's scroll down and the video section. And I am really surprised, and I am really sorry to say you that the way you are making this content, and that you were wishing or expecting that you will get lots of views or ultimately Google AdSense money, YouTube money, and then finally you can get a sponsorship. But I am definitely sure that from my experience, okay, don't mind, you can't get a sponsorship if you are still creating this kind of videos, guys. So imagine you are a business owner Okay, just imagine you are a business owner and you want to sponsor with this YouTube channel. So what kind of products do you have? Definitely you have a products that you want to sponsor through this channel. Okay, so this is not a product based YouTube channel. So what I am trying to understand you, this is not a perfect video for sponsorship. They will come to you for their sponsor their services and product, and I am sure they will not interested to sponsor through your videos, because either it's not a fully entertainment or not educational. Okay, so it's a like combine. Why? Because this is video Pakistani girl reaction on Hindu temple attacked in Canada. You made a video on that. Pakistani girl reaction, Ravana the untold story. Okay, Pakistani girls reaction on gangster. So most of the videos that I am already was the YouTube thumbnail and the title. You just made a religious and political purposes view. Okay, there is no entertainment. Some entertainment you already made, like different movies or different, so you can make videos like a song or especially for a movie, so very specific. You just mess it, like you created political, religious, entertainment. It's like a mess. Okay, so don't. So if you are watching these videos, I am just humble request, don't create this kind of videos, because companies, they will not interested to sponsor it with your videos. Okay, either you can make fully movie related reaction. So you can reaction on Hollywood movie, Hollywood movie, or Bollywood movie, okay, or European movie, whatever. Just your channel will be movie reaction. Okay, movie reaction. Either you can create a song reaction, so you can include movie and song. It's an entertainment purpose. And the most important thing is that don't create based on your interest. I'm just repeating, don't create videos based on your interest. Always create videos people's interest. So people are always interested to watch entertainment purposes. Okay, so already you created many videos. I respect your effort. You just spend your time and you create these videos. So I think if you understand my voice, so you can take care about your channel. Okay, so let's come to the third point, the thumbnail. So all of the videos thumbnail is not good enough. So make sure you create a eye-catchy thumbnail. Okay, and it should be very clear. So how you can create the eye-catchy thumbnail? You can follow others. That means you can follow the other channel, those who are already creating a movie reaction or song reaction videos. Okay, you can. Okay, so far this is my opinion and my guideline. So if you have any queries still now, so you can comment, or also you can send a text. So guys, this is for today. I will come back with another tutorials, and if you find this video is helpful, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.